Last video I was talking about testing out another database, and I'm going to show you how to do that. This is important if you have a main database and you don't want to mess it up. Alright, so click in the Northwind, click in the Northwind, click in the Northwind, go to Operations, and then right under Copy Database 2, Copy Database 2, Copy Database 2, all default selections, Structure and Data, Create Database before copying, Add Auto increment value, add constraints, adjust privileges, just hit go. Oh, actually, make its name underscore copy, and then hit go. And bam, the entire Northwind database has been copied. Okay, hold on. Okay, I'll just stop the video just in case I was going to delete that last one, but I think I'll just do this sloppy one and... Oh, wrong one. I didn't do number one yet. Because I didn't do PHPMYAdmin previously and stuff. So I would be doing it for the first time with you guys and stuff. So I might just randomly stop these and remake these, or I might keep these. But anyway, let's just go through this and see what's going on. Alright, write a SQL statement to insert a record with your own value into the table countries against each columns. Alright, insert into countries, values, parentheses, apostrophe C1, comma space, apostrophe India, comma space 1001, parentheses, semicolon. Alright, so insert into countries, values, parentheses, apostrophe, data 1, comma space, apostrophe, data 2, comma space, data 3. Alright, so it's exactly like first come, first serve. So insert into is gonna put stuff into countries, and the values that we want to use, are right here. So this is like the big old placeholder. This is placeholder, and these are the individual values we actually want to use. You can't use these by itself without this. This has to be listed. Values parentheses. So this is like the container. Values is the container, basically. And yeah, the name of the container, parentheses is the actual container, parentheses the actual container, and data 1, 2, 3. Okay, and it's gonna go like first come, first serve. C1, India, 1001. It's if you don't specify what column or row or whatever you want to put it in, then automatically when you put in that values right next to each other, it's going to go first come, first serve. This is the first one, so this is going to be the first one. And I'm speaking as a computer. Alright, Master Human, C1 is the first one, so I'm going to put it in the first one. Master Human, you said India is the second one, I'm going to put it in the second one. Master Human, you said 1001 is the third one, I'm going to put this in the third one. Okay, and don't mind if the flow of the tutorial gets interrupted. This for me, and I might just start skipping stuff and just saying it in a way that I understand it and stuff. But anyway, yeah, so insert into countries, values, blah blah blah, C1, India, 1001. Alright, write a SQL statement to insert a record. Whenever you see insert a record, insert into. With your own value into the table countries against each columns. Own value, any custom value that you make, into the table countries. So insert into countries. Into the table countries. Countries. Against each columns. Hold up. Each column. Each column's 1, each column's 2, each column's 3. Each column's 1, each column's 2, each column's 3, each column's 1, each column's 2, each column's 3. And when you see columns and all that, each columns, that automatically means you need values parentheses. Each columns automatically need values in parentheses. Each columns, you automatically need values in parentheses. So